Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to maths class. Remove page number 20 of your Discovering Maths, means your textbook. As I said in the previous session that you have to learn the tables. So already in grade 2 we have learned the tables 2 to 12. So here we are going to solve the multiplication. So practice zone 12. Fill in the blanks. So as we have already done in your grade 2 dodging tables, okay, just recall it. So 5 fours are 20. 3 आंसर इज 21. सो 3 कितने जा 21 आता है? यस, 3 7 जा 21. नाउ 4 9 जा 36. सेम हियर. 5 कितने जा 40 आता है? राइट. 5 8 जा 40. नाउ डैश 5 इज इक्वल टू 25. तो 5 कितने जा 25 आता है? यस, 5 5 जा 25. 3 9 जा हाउ मच? 27. 4 कितने जा 36 होगा? 4 9 जा 36. 7 कितने जा 35 होगा? 5 7 जा 35. Now we are going to learn about division. Okay, so you know dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Okay, so let's see. Now see here on practice zone 13, solve the following. 9 divided by 3. So let's see here. 9 divided by 3. So 3 is your divisor and 9 is your dividend. Okay, so how you are going to divide? 3 का टेबल पढ़ना है, तब तक 9 नहीं आता है. रीड. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9. So 3 3 जा 9. Then you have to subtract it. 9 minus 9 0. So what is the dividend? This 9 is the dividend. This 0 is the remainder. This 3 is your quotient. And what about this 3? This 3 is a divisor. Okay, 9 is dividend. The answer is 3 is quotient. What will be the remain? It is your remainder and 3 is a divisor. So here the answer which comes here, 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9 in short. Okay, now let's see the second example. 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3. So can you say me the number which comes here? Yes, the 15 is dividend, 3 is divider. So let's say the table of 3 till the number comes 15. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So 3 5s are 15. Now you have to minus 5 minus 5 0, 1 minus 1 0. So what will be the dividend? This is your dividend. This is your remainder. This is your quotient, and this is your divisor. Okay. So what answer we have seen? What is the quotient? 5. So 3 5s are 15. Same here we will do 30 divided by 5. So read the table 5 till the number comes 30. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. So the answer will come 5 6 are 30. Okay. So here 6 is the quotient, 5 is your divisor, and 30 is your dividend. Hope you have understood multiplication and division. Now turn the page. On page number 22, here do and documents are there. Get into pairs. Think of any multiplication table for which you want to find the pattern. One of you will write the table. Your partner will change all the products to the single digit in the circle. Join all the single digits made by the partner sequentially. ओके तो यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है, जैसे यहाँ पे एक 2 का टेबल लिखा है और यहाँ पे पैटर्न बना हुआ है. ओके सो यू कैन सी हियर 2 का टेबल लिखा है तो 2 का पैटर्न बना है. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Then like that you have to make here pattern and write any table which you want and draw the pattern according to that. Now it's time for homework. Remove your observation book, page number 8. Page number 8 of your observation book, question number 11. Fill in the blanks is your homework. What you have to do here, just as we have done just now in the textbook. 3 dash 3 कितने जा 18 होगा? Come on, be fast. 3 6 जा 18 होगा. So like that you have to solve the fill in the blanks. Then question number 12, solve the following. 45 divided by 5. Okay, so I'll show you one here. 45 is your dividend, 5 is your divisor. So to read the table till 45 comes. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. Okay, so 45 is your dividend, 5 is your divisor, 9 here is your quotient, and 0 is your remainder. So here comes 9. Like this you have to solve. Now see on page number 9, Question number 13, 14. Now see question number 14. In a cricket series of 3 matches, following is the score of 5 players. So answer the following. The score in increasing order. So here scores are given. You have to arrange this number in increasing order. Means छोटे से from smaller to larger number. You have to arrange these numbers and write which numbers you are going to arrange. These numbers. Now B1. Position of Sachin Tendulkar is. पोजीशन ऑफ सचिन तेंदुलकर. सचिन तेंदुलकर की पोजीशन कितने पे है? फर्स्ट पे है. सो यू आर गोइंग टू राइट हियर फर्स्ट. डैश स्कोर्ड मैक्सिमम रन्स. किसने सबसे ज़्यादा मैक्सिमम रन्स किया है उसका नेम यू हैव टू राइट हियर. स्कोर्ड मिनिमम रन्स. देन यू कैन सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. फॉलोइंग इज द रिपोर्ट कार्ड ऑफ प्रिया. दिस इज द रिपोर्ट कार्ड. राइट द टोटल मार्क्स शी गॉट. तो आपको सबका टोटल करना है. यहाँ पे रफ स्पेस दिया हुआ है. सो यू कैन ऐड ऑल दीज 4 numbers and the number comes you have to write here. On page number 10, MCQ questions are there. The number name of 387 is 387 is 387. So what you are going to do? You have to take this 387. Now see the place value of 9 in 493 is. So the place value of 9 is 90 because 9 is on tens place. Now the number before 110 is what comes? 109. The number after 879 is 879. So 880. Ordinal number of 20 is 20th. The correct sign between 512 and 514 will be this sign, bigger one. Which of the following is the list of odd numbers? इसमें से कौन से इसमें सब odd numbers है? 4, 5, 6, 4. Odd even mix है. Here also odd even mix. Just see here 7, 9, 1, 3. So here all odd numbers are there. Now see which is the correct increasing order of the following series. 111, 112, 121, 211 and 222. So this is the correct increasing order. The sum of 901 and 31 is 931. The difference of 855 and 55 is कितने का difference है दोनों में? Of 800. Okay. So like this you have to complete your MCQ questions, means multiple choice questions. Now see application is there on page number 11. To apply the concept of numbers in real life, write the name of any 5 cricket players who have scored maximum number. जैसा आपने you have seen back side, you have seen on page number 9. यहाँ पे प्लेयर के नेम्स है और उन्होंने कितने रन स्कोर किए हैं. तो वैसे ही आपको write 5 name, any 5 cricket players name who have scored maximum runs and their team, वो कौन सी टीम के हैं. ओके, देन राइट द स्कोर इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. ये जो स्कोर्स आएंगे यहाँ पर जो आप लिखेंगे वो स्कोर का इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, देन वही स्कोर का डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. नेम द प्लेयर हु स्कोर्ड मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ रन्स. किसने मैक्सिमम बोले तो सबसे ज़्यादा नंबर जिसने स्कोर किया उसका नेम लिखेंगे. डिड यू नो व्हेन प्लेयर स्कोर 100 रन्स इट इज कॉल्ड अ सेंचुरी. जब 100 रन्स मारता है कोई प्लेयर तो उसको सेंचुरी बोलते हैं तो यस को टिक करो, नो बोलते हैं तो नो को टिक करो. देन व्हेन अ प्लेयर स्कोर 50 रन्स इट इज कॉल्ड हाफ सेंचुरी. 50 रन्स को हाफ सेंचुरी बोलते हैं. यस तो टिक करो, नो है तो टिक करो. यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट योरसेल्फ विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स. थर्ड, फ्रॉम वेयर डिड यू कलेक्ट दिस इंफॉर्मेशन. आपने ये प्लेयर्स की इंफॉर्मेशन कहाँ से लिया, इंटरनेट से लिया या न्यूज़पेपर से लिया. अगर आप इंटरनेट पे सर्च करके लिख रहे हो तो उस पर टिक करो, या न्यूज़पेपर से लिया तो न्यूज़पेपर पे टिक करो. आई लर्न डैश वाइल डूइंग दिस एप्लीकेशन. सो आपने क्या लर्न किया, यू गॉट द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द प्लेयर्स, हाउ मैनी रन्स they scored. So what you have learned about the numbers, so write here. I would like to thank for helping me in this application. आपको किसने इंफॉर्मेशन निकाल के दिया, आपको किसने, मम्मी ने, डैडी ने, ब्रदर ने, सिस्टर ने, जिसने भी हेल्प किया उसका नेम लिखो. आई कंप्लीटेड दिस एप्लीकेशन इन. आपने ये पूरा एक्टिविटी कितने दिन में दिया, दिस यू हैव टू राइट here. So in this way we have done with our first chapter. Hope you have understood everything. So complete your work with the help of your parents. Don't make any mistakes. Keep your book neat and clean. Thank you.